Hello, peeps. It is good to see you folks visiting my channel. Welcome. Have you been searching how to replace the thermal paste on this Acer Predator, the exact model listed right in front of you? Well, you came to the right video guide then because I will demonstrate just that. Also, if you just want to open this laptop and clean it up a little bit, this video guide is a perfect place to start. So without further procrastinating, let's get straight into it, shall we? This mini back cover goes first. Don't try to force the screws to go out all the way. "2.5" hard drive goes out. I'm just going to loosen here the over-tightened screws before I use my electric screwdriver. Smaller screws here. Pretty long screws. Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. And now I just need to grab right above these arrows, like so, and it should break loose. Before touching anything on the motherboard, I will first disconnect the battery. I will disconnect both of the fans connectors now. Allow me to tell you here that only screws from the fans are entirely removable. The heatsink screws don't go out all the way. I have a hidden screw here right underneath the flex cable. Yeah, I didn't notice it. Then another obstacle I have to fix, a tape over the wire. Not easy, this life of a laptop service guy. A lot of dry and old residual thermal paste. Need to wipe it all clean. I even put some isopropyl alcohol on my paper napkin. I will do the same on the heatsink as well. I will not touch the thermal paddings on the sink. They seem quite satisfactory and no need to replace them.
Not going to put too much thermal compound. Regarding the quantity, less is more, I heard smart people say. By the way, it is advisable to respect the numbers next to the screws in the exact order. I should have respected this, to be honest. Shouldn't forget to reconnect the fans as well. Reconnecting the battery. Time to wrap up here.
That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.